I'm Stephen Miles and welcome to DXMax. Previously, we looked at a blueprint for success and the capabilities required for a great digital journey. This included the importance of building a modern, highly automated software factory. We looked at the role of Agile in making sure that we are not only becoming a fully agile business, but we were rapidly iterating with customers and partners to ensure we are building the right things. In the application economy, 9 in 10 executives faced increased pressure to reduce time to market for their new digital services. This has created the need for the second important area of our software factory, a highly automated conveyor belt, to optimize the delivery value chain. The focus here is to leverage those iteratively developed ideas with your customers and then accelerate the process for delivering what they want quickly and with great quality. This involves a new software delivery capability that develops swiftly, tests agilely, and releases reliably. Not in a static, siloed, sequential way that validates with customers at the end of a cycle, but in an iterative, inclusive, continuous way that involves the customer validation every step of the way. Applications built using traditional software delivery lifecycle environments have been steeped in gross inefficiencies for some time. The majority of those applications were built using monolithic architectures, which are hard to change, costly to maintain, and difficult to scale. The digital era has exposed such shortcomings and created the pressure to adopt more modern systems and environments. So with more companies building new microservice-styled architectures, using cloud and container-based technologies, a new hybrid IT reality which blends both environments prevails. With 7 out of 10 enterprises now implementing hybrid environments, this is now fundamental to building a software business in the digital world. It does, however, make the SDLC even more challenged and in desperate need of a new plan. So what are these challenges? Firstly, 4 out of 5 development setups are constrained or limited in scope, which slows down building applications and prevents agile parallel development and testing. Furthermore, the new modern systems are designed for constant change and will continuously have parts of application logic either being upgraded, rewritten, or replaced. Virtual services that can emulate the desired microservice application and validate their capabilities are absolutely critical. Secondly, due to constraints, testing is often too late in the development cycle and there is an absence of qualitative test data management. Pressure on lead times often forces testing to be either postponed to keep the project moving or reduced in scope, which compromises quality and creates a security risk. Finally, the testing process is rarely representative in terms of data quality and coverage of real-world production realities. The remaining challenge is planning and orchestrating a release across multiple point tools and new multi-environment realities. Today, it is a highly manual process, slow, complex, and very problematic. This is further accentuated by the move to those hybrid IT architectures and more modern platforms, which are essential for your digital journey. Time to market isn't the only thing that is impacted by all of this inefficiency. When errors or defects aren't discovered until after the app is deployed to production, customer experience suffers, potentially damaging your brand and your reputation. In the digital age, you cannot afford to launch poor quality apps, period. As part of your modern software factory, a continuous delivery capability enables organizations to fully automate their digital application lifecycle. This includes 5 key elements: release planning and orchestration, agile testing, provisioning the right data on demand, having integrated ecosystems and feedback, and finally, developing simulated environments, APIs, and systems. Working together, these elements provide the following benefits. First of all, you can now simulate constrained systems and resources so that you can make every point in the life cycle more like production and remove the mystery and reduce delays. In doing so, defects are found earlier, infrastructure costs go down, and higher quality apps get to your customers. Next, continuous delivery should include continuous testing at every phase of the journey to ensure you have the right data at the right place and at the right time. Now you can test less, cover more, and automate 100% of the process. Lastly, it enables automated release orchestration to help you from planning right through to deployment execution, unifying both modern and heritage environments, tools and architectures. In summary, a continuous delivery capability in your modern software factory helps you deliver software as if your business depends upon it. Because in the application economy, it absolutely does. In the next session of DXMax, we'll be sharing other important ingredients for powering your modern software factory.